Dlamini, a visual artist who had been in the field for 26 years now. Here I tend to bring a new idea, which is the Swazi History and Heritage Visual Arts Exhibition, whereby my intention is to bring a new concept which is in line with developing the art industry in Swaziland, that is going to be marketing the country for the first world, which is the vision of the country. My intention is doing a contribution in terms of bringing new ideas, whereby artists are going to benefit through what we are doing as artists in Swaziland, whereby even those who are going to come after us, they are going to find the right foundation, which will be bringing our people who are talented to be able to live through their skill, because art is in the academic tradition, in the A levels, whereby people are able to express their feeling on creative expression, which is one of the one of the fundamental matters. Because for us to come to a point where we are considering this heritage, this is where we are keeping the wealth of the country, because art has everything in line of improving people's lives, and people are going to be able to live a decent life from their work, which is one of the things that Swaziland had omitted for too long. It's our turn that we should bring what Swaziland had ignored for donkey years, since we came from our colonial masters, where we got our independence from 1968 up until today. And now I am working out to bring in fact, we are actualizing ourselves, because for an artist to make an effective living, that is where you should be bringing what is in you for you to make a decent living from it, whereby the world should learn that even in Swaziland there are artists who are having their own visions, whereby they would want to relay the message for other people to know who we are, how are we living our lives, and how are we shaping our art industry for the betterment of our people and society.
Armstrong akamzebele sibonga ngi-artist nje lenzala kagogo leseyadiwa nje impela seyinemalanga. Ngingitishela ngifundisa labathi khona ngise-National Handicraft Training Center. Cishe iminyaka yami seyilapha kubo 28 nje ngikhona la esikolweni. So-ke lo kulamalanga besinemisebenzi lesinawo lapha emsamo olumbukiso nje lomkhulu lokhona. Sho ukuthi lokunenge nje lesikwendile sikumikise khona ukukhomba likhono lethu. Sila sikolweni sesineminyaka nje siyenda lemisebenzi yetandla. Nalaba ba-art and culture basisita ukuthi babe nalenzawo lapha ukuthi silethe letindoda ethu lokuthi kutobonakala imisebenzi yethu yetandla lesitendako kule sikolo lesengisichazile ngamuva. Kwanza nje kungaba angati sekunganza nje ukuthi empeleni thina lemsebenzi siyiqale kalukhuni lesikhathini lesendlulile. Lo msebenzi wethu bowubukele kaphasi ngalenye nje indlela impela ngathi bengadluleka kuyichaza lemuva, ngoba isikolo sethu nje lapha saqala kusebenza 1973. Kusho ukuthi seminyaka vele lethide sasheshe sefika ke nathi sisanza kuqala nje bekusede abantu la kanje ukuthi bafunzi labakhona la befikako baba 10 noma babe ngu8 noma babe ngu12. Vele nje lo msebenzi wethu ubukele kaphasi ngalenye indlela. Kwahamba yakhulu inombolo, abasolo befika abantwana babona lo cha imisebenzi yethandla ngiyoletha ukuthukusa kakhulu la ngaphandle. Cishe amavela amaningi nje nabo boshayena ngiyo le misebenzi yethandla. Lesolo thina bakangwane besolo singaboni ukuthi silimala kuphi. Seke sekuhle kanye linombolo yala esikoleni seyikhuphukile nje impela. Abantu ke lesa sibafundisele le misebenzi yethandla hawu seyincumbi botishela nje lesa sibakhiqidile lapha bagcwele correctional services semaphoyiseni bakhona labanye cishe nje indzawo letiningi nasenkampanini letinkulu lesedivulwa letenta le msebenzi yetandla nje sebagcwele abantu abethi lesibakhokhela kule sikole kuyo le msebenzi yetandla ye-art. Lesikwenta abakwente lapha-ke ba-art and culture nje basijabulisile impela ngoba nyalo nje sesiyathemba ukuthi lokhu sesitawubonakala njengala kumabonakude nje impela kutawubonakala ukuthi umsebenzi wetandla seyinto lemcoka kulamalanga. Kuyasithokodisa-ke nathi sitawubonakala nje sivele impela sikhulume ngayo lento ngoba usaqala kadzeni bo sibathe siyashumayela ukuthi umsebenzi wetandla into ebantu labanjeyayi le. Kanti-ke phela siyathi thina kodwa-ke sesiyilwile ngoba naku nje nebukhosi bethu sebuyayicabanga le ndzaba. Naku nasetikolweni sekuthiwa kuqalwe phasi le-primary level lokuthi kufunzelwe le msebenzi yetandla. Nase-university sekuyafuneka. Nasemakolishini anyana la angangawo lona lesinalo thine la. Sekuyafuneka le msebenzi yetandla. So kuyasithokozisa kakhulu. Besifisile-ke ukuthi nebakithi uhulumende wakithi nangasibambisa kule nto leti. Ngoba nje kakhulu vele umsebenzi yetandla iyasikhalisa thina sayicala kadzeni lenzima. Yasilimata nje kakhulu ngoba sayicala kadzeni ukuthi asemane naye uhulumende asisite asasupport nalama artists lala ngaphandle kwalawa la satiwa ke lamanye khona latiwa kodwa khona naba labagcwelela emgwaqweni nakungenteka nje ngalelinye ilanga sekuke kuphume nje angathi ngoba litiko la commerce likhona kodwa ke sibesicela nje uhulumende ukuthi awunana asasibambise bekunene ukuthi sikhona ukupromota lo msebenzi wethu wetandla njengoba thina simahlahlandlela nje sesiyawubona ukuthi ulusito kangaka bekungaba kucela nje kuhulumende wethu wembulo ukuthi inkosi yami asesicabangeleke nanabo bakhona abantu la ngaphandle sesibafundisile bashoda ngako letinto letincane tekuqala amabhizinisana kwethu thineke uyadula vele le material ekhanda ukuthi siyayisebenzisa kodwa ke isikhathi lesine ukanti lokunye sikuthola nje bakulahlile sikuthathe sikhona kwenta lutho ngakho.